Hi, my Bowling Green East Coast Migrant Head Start Project family. My name is Mrs. Christina, and guess what, guys? I have a very special guest with me today. Do you know who it is? You're right. It's your other teacher, Mrs.
Tatiana.
Hi, guys. We really miss you, and we hope you guys are doing well during our time apart. Today, we're going to be reading you a story. And the title of my story is The Three Bears. And when I open the book, you're going to see something different. What's different, guys? It's not very many pages, right? That's because this is a magnetic story. But it has a title and it has the author, which is Amelia Rivas. And Amelia Rivas, she wrote all these words. She wrote it on this side in Spanish and this side in English. And the illustrator of our special story is by Frog Street. They published the book. Are you ready for a story? Okay. Once upon a time, there were three bears. 1, 2, 3. There was a mama bear, a papa bear, and a baby bear. They all lived in the forest. And one day, the bears went out for a walk to visit a sick friend. Do you remember ways that I told you in our last video where you can stay safe and healthy and not become sick? That's right. Wash your hands, cough in your elbows, or sneeze in a tissue. While they were gone, a little girl named Goldilocks was walking in the woods. Suddenly, she realized she was lost. So she walked until she came to a small cottage. And upon entering the house, she saw 3 bowls of porridge sitting on the table. Now, before I go on, would you enter? Are we supposed to enter in someone else's house? Correct. We're not supposed to go into a stranger's house. She was very hungry when she saw those 3 bowls sitting on the table. And what do you do when you're hungry? Let's ask Miss Tatiana. Miss Tatiana, what do you do when you're hungry?
When I'm hungry, I eat.
So what do you suppose Goldilocks did? That's right. She tasted the porridge in the large bowl. It was too hot. So she tasted the porridge in the medium bowl. It was too cold. She tried the porridge in the small bowl. It was just right. So Goldilocks ate it all up. Next, she went over to the 3 chairs. They were sitting in front of a fireplace. She found the biggest chair. It was too hard. She tried the middle-sized chair, the medium. It was too soft. She sat in the 3rd chair because it seemed just right. And as she sat in the chair, it wobbled and it rattled and it fell apart. By now, the little girl was very tired. And we know what happens when you're tired, right? We go to sleep. She went into the other room and she found 3 beds. The first bed was very hard. Remember, hard. The second bed was too soft, like a cotton ball or a pom-pom ball. And the 3rd bed was just right. So guess what? She fell asleep right away. Meanwhile, the bears came home from their walk. Finding an empty bowl on the table made Mama and Papa Bear scratch their heads like, what's going on? At the same time, Baby Bear found his chair in pieces on the floor. He was very upset and he started to cry. The little little girl heard the noise and she came down to find out what was wrong. And when she saw the bears, she was very surprised and a little frightened. She explained that she was lost and that she was sorry she ate up the porridge and broke the chair. Now, how would you feel if someone ate all your food and broke your favorite chair? That's right, you would be upset. Do you think the bears was upset? Let's find out. The bears, they were not. They were kind bears. They told Goldilocks she was forgiven. And Mama Bear packed Goldilocks a basket of cookies, and Papa Bear, and Baby Bear helped her find her way to the path back home. The end. Did you enjoy our story? Well, I hope you enjoyed our story, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.